Hey, and welcome to the crypto world, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Hey, quickly before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So, before investing any money, do your own research, please. That being said, let's head to the video. What if you could earn some crunchy dollars by just listening to your favorite music? If you're a music freak who just loves to listen to new songs as they're released, why not monetize it? Yeah, why not listen to the music and get money in return? This might seem like something impossible, but with Gala Music Node, this has become a reality. And now anyone that has a Gala Music Node can either put their songs on the network and earn, or they can just listen to the music and get paid in return. As simple as that. But wait, what if you listen to music all day? How much can you make with Gala Music Node if that's the case? We know there are lots of questions in your head, and you may be thinking of using Gala Music Nodes to have a continuous income. And you're going to know how you're going to do that in today's video. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to watch more amazing videos about new crypto opportunities. All right, let's get started. What is a Gala Music Node? Gala Music Node can be considered as your personal collection of music and songs the whole world can access. Whenever you put new music, NFT, or link it to your Gala Music Node, you actually make it public and anyone can listen to it. When someone listens to the song on your music node, you get rewards. Plus, the listener also earns money, hence, Gala Music Node works as a medium where all the music creators and listeners can connect, create, and listen to the music and earn money side by side. But how can you get your Gala Music Node? The first step is to purchase the license of Gala Music Node, which is actually the node itself. If you think you can have a Gala Music Node for free, that's not the case here. The reason is you're going to earn thousands over thousands of dollars from the Gala Music Node. Thus, giving you the node for free doesn't make any sense. And here comes something else you're waiting for. Each Gala Music Node costs you around $1,200. Yeah, you heard that right. You should pay in Gala tokens. That'll be roughly equal to $1,200 to own a Gala Music Node. After you've purchased the license, you have to simply set up the node on your PC or laptop and link your music NFTs to it. You can also create your own music, convert it into NFTs, and then put it on your Gala node. Once you have put your music NFTs, listeners will come to your node and listen to their favorite music, which will let you earn rewards. But how much can you make with a Gala Music Node? Well, you've already paid about $1,200 to earn a Gala Music Node, which means it must let you earn more than that, right? But how much money can you earn? Well, that depends directly on the number of times your music NFT is played by the listeners. Let's say you've put your own music NFT on your music node and someone plays it. Every time that track is played, the creator receives about 5 cents in their wallet, while the listener gets about zero point 0.5 cents. And here comes the interesting part. Since you've put your music NFT and anyone across the world can listen to it, your music piece can be played thousands of times per day. Let's say you've put your music piece on your music node and listeners have started to listen to it. They've literally loved it and its fame's increasing day by day. More and more people are listening to it, and now by the end of the day, about 50,000 people have listened to your music. In reality, you can get even millions over millions of listeners per day. But let's say that 50,000 people listen to your music, how much would you earn? By doing the math and considering each one will give you 5 cents, the total money you would earn in a single day would be about $2,500. What if you continue to get these listeners every day for 1 month? The total money you would have by the end of the month will be roughly 75,000. Now you can guess why paying only 1,200 for a single Gala music node seems so little. And you wouldn't stop at getting only 50,000 listeners, rather the number will increase. If you think 50,000 is a big number, then you should know that millions over millions of people listen to music every day. So getting only 50,000 means nothing. To add more bonus to the revenue, you can sell your music NFTs as well, which will give a major boost to what you're earning. But what if you don't want to pay $1,200 for the node? Is there any other way to earn money without actually putting in yours? Well, the simple answer to the question is yes. There are two types of Gala music nodes you can buy. First, the Gala Music Player node that you can use as a creator, while the second is Gala Music Fan node, which you will use to only listen to the music. You have to purchase them both if you want to have them, but that's not what we want, right? There's another way to not buy any node but earn money with Gala Music Node, and that is by listening to the music as an outsider. Let's say you didn't purchase any of the above mentioned nodes. You simply have to access any creator's node and listen to their music, and in turn, you would get half a cent every time. Here's the catch though, not every music piece and not every artist's music will give you the money. Since you're an outsider and you haven't purchased any node, there are lesser chances for you to actually make money. Only selected emerging artists' music pieces will be available to you, which you can listen to earn money. Let's say you listen to about 10,000 music pieces in 1 month. How much will you earn? Well, simply, you got to multiply zero point 0.5 cents with 10,000, which makes $50. It's not the money you can earn without purchasing any node and by listening to 10,000 songs. Seems quite less, right? But if you buy Gala Music Fan Node, there are more chances for you to listen to more music and get more rewards in return. Having a Gala Music Fan Node lets you listen to the music pieces and earn money without any need to check in first, meaning you don't have to watch which music can give you money and which cannot. So there's no limit to listening to music since you have a fan node that gives you access. However, if you still don't want to purchase your fan node, then you can listen to the selected music pieces and earn money. Don't forget, you're going to get zero point 0.5 cents per music piece you play. No matter whether you're a music creator, a music lover, or someone who wants motivation to listen to the music, money can attract you towards Gala Music Node. But what if you want to make more money from Gala Music Node as a creator? You get two ways to earn more money from the music NFT you put on your node. First, the more the listeners listen to your music, the more the revenue will be generated. Second, if you increase the number of music nodes, you can hit a majority of listeners and increase the chances to generate more revenue. The first option requires you to have some extra fame or your music should be thrilling, while the second option demands more money to be put in purchasing the extra music node. No matter which option you choose, you ultimately need more listeners to make a hefty sum of money. Let's say if your music is played 5 million times, which is an ordinary thing to happen, you can make $250,000. Yeah, now this is something you would not want to miss, right? Did you know that now just listening to music or creating music can let you make money easily like never before? Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. Would you want to only listen to music and earn or create your own music and pocket more cash? Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more news and updates about the crypto world. Until the next video, stay tuned.